Wanna know how to mute navigation voice in Waze? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, what you need to do is on the top left, right here, you can see this small hamburger icon. Just simply select it. Now, once you're there, simply head on to settings. So make sure you are logged in as well for all of these to work properly. If you haven't, we have also created a video on it, so make sure to watch it. Now just simply head towards voice and sound on top. Now once you're under voice and sound, simply here you can see your voice directions with various navigation voices which you can choose from. Now since we want to turn it off, right here beside sounds you can see this off icon. So simply select it. Now once you selected it, there you have it. Your navigation sound has been successfully turned off. Now you can just simply head back and then enjoy soundless routing. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.